next session. Anyway, um, let's start. And just to run you through things, I had, as you can see, my account balance grew by quite a bit since the last session. So last session wasn't too eventful. It was kind of dull towards the end, a couple of dodgy setups. But um, following that, I saw the USD Canadian just bottom out, and I went in pretty hard. I chickened out a little bit with some of the positions. I sold some. Yeah, I sold some. No, that was not this one. I think it was different, different day. Okay, this one I just basically attacked it. So I attacked it quite heavily, and then it worked out okay. So that was not a bad day. Okay, so today I was telling Catherine earlier on about M15. Yeah, I was telling Catherine about the market outlook for today. I know it's like snowstorm and blizzards in New York kind of thing. Let's get ready for Euro USD. No one's already passed. But then again, it shouldn't be so. This is an early move. We might get back up again because this is the last 2 minutes, which usually where you should enter the trade. So I was telling her that okay, this Euro USD has been like the actually technically today is like the 5-day low, but it just so happened that the price has been being very bullish. And I was telling her that if in the start of the New York session, if it just jumps all the way down to test the bottom, then we'll just immediately cancel the session. But that didn't happen, so that's why we're still here. USDCHF. Yeah, this is good. This is good. Actually, USDCHF, jump into that as soon as you can. 2 minutes. 2 minutes call. Jump in as soon as you can. We're a little bit late for this, but better late than never. So I'm in at 298. I think it was a better setup than the Euro USD. So USDCHF. If you have not gone in yet, then just wait for the next trade because this one might have moved too much already. Oh yeah, I have good news. My new car is ready for collection tomorrow. No, Audi S5. So I've decided to keep my trusty Renault anyway for like, beach excursions and stuff and times I want to take the dog to the vet or anything. But oh crap, watch out for this trade. Yeah, let's have shift our attention back to this trade for a moment. See what's going on with it. Gonna retest the bottom pin. Okay, just get ready in case we have to Martingale this one. I think we should be able to Martingale this with not much risk. Don't forget that we are actually into the new minute. We might not even need to Martingale it because we are in. We started the trade late. I'm gonna wait for this to expire and see how it goes. I don't really like the look of this one. Actually. I don't like the look of it. Let's take a longer one. Let's take a longer trade. Black. In the end, I chose black. I thought like white was too I don't know. I might put a wrap on it soon, like gunmetal or something. But I thought white was too nice. Yeah, good thing we stayed out of that one. Actually, we can get back in. We can get back in on this on a 2 minute. Wait for this minute to expire. End of this minute, I think we can. Or even, yeah, we wait a little bit more and then we can do like a 10 minute or something. Let me check out the 1 minute chart. Yeah, definitely. It's an emoji setup. Just beware that it doesn't plunge down. Of course, let's see if it's something better. No, UJ is the first bar out, so we don't pick it. Stay in the USD End of this minute, I say we go for it again if not we do a longer term trade. USD end of this minute, let's go for a 2 minute call. Here we go. Okay, if this doesn't work, we're going to do the higher time frame. RSIs have crossed, which means we can even probably throw in a 2 minute trend follow. No, a 2 minute follow on for that. We'll see. We'll just watch it through. It's running away. Yep, looking good. My philosophy is this: do not take long-term trades unnecessarily. Every trade, if you're looking at a 1 minute chart, is 2 minutes by default. And trade direction is always against the direction that the bars on the chart are moving to. So if the bars are moving down, we by default do a call, and if it's going up, we by default do a put. And if we're looking at the M1 chart, we'll always do a 2 minute trade. Typically, you try to take your trades about 3 seconds before the start of the new minute, because execution time takes about 3 to 5 seconds, depending on the broker. Longer term, I will refer to, like, let's say if you use a 5 minute chart and beyond, those would be okay. So speaking of the emoji method, the RSI cross next bar do a 2 minute call that also works too. It didn't do that though. It didn't do it. It would have been at this point. So once again, like what I was saying, do not take longer expiries unnecessarily. Okay, USD JPY, this one's setting up. Quite far from it. Never mind. Wait. I was looking at the wrong chart. That's Euro Aussie. Something else instead. Oh yeah, you're right. You're right. 1 more minute. This one will be ready. No, not 1 minute. 2 more minutes. Sorry, my bad. So, looking for it to bounce off the middle band here. Yes, Mr. Chair, you're right. And also, if there's a lot of movement on the M1 chart, if there's a lot of ranging movement, then you're really exposing yourself to a lot of risk. If you see a very long trend on the M1, let's say a long trend looks like this on the M1, then by all means do a 15 minute. But if there's a lot of zigzag on the M1, then you really don't want to do a longer time frame. 30-second, because the return sucks. Most brokers pay pretty bad for 30-second. Also, the other thing is that for 30 seconds, sometimes it like the spread and also the execution is really crucial because if you miss the best part of the movement, you're basically out of the trade. Okay, this one might be a bit premature, but we'll see. Stay set up on the Euro Pound for 2 minutes call at the end of this minute. As long as it remains low, we would go for it. If not, we will not go for it. I just explained why we should not be taking the longer duration trades unnecessarily. Aussie USD is also setting up. Actually, this could be better. Aussie USD, Aussie USD 2 minute put right now. Aussie USD 2 minute put right now. Aussie USD 2 minute put right now. This is better. So trend line, last 2 minutes of 5 minute bar, 175 here, red above 70, orange above 50, 5 minute chart, right smack in the middle of the white bands. So it's a textbook, totally textbook setup. And in this one, even if it doesn't work out, I would reckon this to be fairly safe to Martingale. Martingale referring to doubling up in the 824. Let's see what the next resistance is. Fibonacci of this. We might get it. 123.6. It's fairly reliable. Not as reliable as 161.8, but very reliable. Still have a minute. No, we don't. Let's just wait on expiry. Pi. Yeah, we tie, leave it. It's having a lot of meaningless oscillation right now, and it's kind of trying to push above the middle line, so I wouldn't suggest you doing that one. Yeah, I took forever to validate. Let's find something else. Euro USD, looking at the setup. It'll take a while though. USD Canadian, also in the middle, so okay, USD Canadian, guys. USD Canadian, this one's a mixed one. USD Canadian for a 2 minute call. This one's looking quite good, quite good. Okay, just broke past this one, so we have to see whether it breaks close outside the whites. If it does, then we won't do it. If you want to if you can actually take the trade and just not mind and go if you lose it. Okay, if AU is also okay. Good. Thank you. This one's coming back up. Aussie USD previous high. Give it another 1 minute to settle down. 1 minute to settle down. Because we like to take it when there's 2 minutes balance on the 5-minute chart. First bar out though. You see, this is the reason why I said best to leave it. Because when it's when it's going flat, often it'll try to break out higher. So when it's going flat, it will tend to, if it doesn't come down, then it's going to break out. But for the amount that it came up, I think we can go counter trend on this one. So let's do this on the next minute, Aussie USD. End of this minute, 2-minute put. Get ready. And I'm taking the trade now. $871. No doubt this is the first bar out of the 5-minute, but because on the M1 it looks very overextended, I think it'll be okay. Signs are weakening already. Might challenge the next target here. It might. And if it goes for the 7-0 flat, then if it goes for the 7-0 flat, then we will be able to do a long-term trade, that's for sure. Okay, this is good. Let's go in for a martingale at the end of this minute. Watch your expiry. If you might just be able to get it in the last bit, but I'm going to take my martingale right now. In an 882 and 878. There we go. Crash past 11.1, 23.6, now going for 38.2. Right smack in 38.2 in 1 minute only. I think it's going to push for 50. EU and AU are very correlated. I wouldn't be surprised if the same thing is happening. No, this is far. USDJPY guys, USDJPY. Wait for another bar, 5 minute bar. Mhm. Mhm. Or at least to hit the previous low. And RSI to hit 30. Mhm. Hey folks in Hong Kong, I apologize. I've cancelled my trip to the IFX Expo, which is supposed to be the next couple of days. Because number one, it is my son's first birthday in school. First year of school, first day in school. It was first birthday in school, so I definitely don't want to miss that. Secondly, he has been having like um, nightmares or crying in his sleep rather. And when I heard him crying in his sleep, he was saying something like, "Daddy, I don't want you to go away for work," you know. So I think I want to just try to be around him more. That's like November and December. I was like traveling like crazy. I was like building this marketing business in Malaysia. You know, doing like speeches every 2 weeks and stuff. I don't think he was too happy about that. Okay, if New Zealand's having something, Aussie should be having something soon. Europe. UJ still first bar out. No, but Euro USD, yes, we can do that. A lot of consolidation though. Exactly. When you see long wicks, try to stay away. Also, if you see flags, try to stay away as well. This AU one, I'll rather try to hit the previous high and I'll do it. If not, I won't. Gold Euro, if you can hit a previous low, I'll do it. Mhm. And you flagging too much. Flagging too much. So the thing about flags is that when it breaks the flag, it's going to be a big movement, but you don't know when exactly it's going to do that. So for that reason, I prefer to stay away from it. Mhm. Conditions looking a bit messy. Okay, pound USD, we may have set up previous high. I do have a trend breakout strategy, but the thing is, most of the time, Philip, the trend is not very strong. And in binary, okay, I mean, like, if we get this, that would be ideal, right? But if we don't get that, if we get one, most of the time we get stuff like this. So it's going to be very tough to time the trades. Whereas bouncing off levels and overbought, oversold, that's more predictable. When you're in the money, you sell early, how much is the profit? It depends. It can be as little as 10% to as much as 60%. And if you are losing, you sell early, you lose anywhere between 70 or 80%. Depends on the range, how far you're away from the price. 80% to like 10%. But it's better to sell if you think it's no chance of winning and get back some money. If it's not the news, then it's the weather. Because it's really strange. I heard about the weather in New York and then Hong Kong. It's like unusually low temperatures too, like 3 degrees. And Thailand is 18 degrees day temperature when it's usually, I mean in Bangkok, it's like 18 degrees when it's usually like 34 degrees Celsius. So I don't know what's with the weather, man. I mean, it's like strange. It was gone whack everywhere. And in Chiang Mai right now it's like 7 degrees. Pound USD. This one's very stable. The most stable of the lot. Pound USD. Get ready. If it can even hit the level, I'll take the trade. I wouldn't wait. Even though it's early. Get ready for a 2 minute put. Pound USD. I want to give 1 more minute. Unless it can hit the level. If it hits it, then later on we'll take it. But if not, then we'll... Oh shit. Oh shit. Here goes back up. Thank you. Euro USD is also looking quite good. This one, yeah, this is not bad as well. So let's see the better of these two. Let's see the better of these two. Yeah, okay, let's do Euro at this point. Euro USD. Switch. Euro USD. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. So end of this minute, I guess. Yeah. End of this minute. Let's do it. End of this minute. Euro USD 2 minute put. Oh, it looks very good. That kind of a trust. End of this minute, 2 minute put. Take it 3 seconds before the new minute starts. Like now. Oh shit! We had an advance pullback, but I think we should be okay. If not, in the next 2 minutes, there is a slim possibility I may try to touch that thing again. These Korean Fuji apples are horrible. Such a thick, musky core. Fibers. Yeah, if it hits that wick again, we'll just basically repeat the trade. I think it's gonna do that. Which is kind of stupid because it's just a matter of a few seconds. If we got it any sooner, we would have just won it easily. Same setup on UJ. Let's stay on U. Stay on U. It looks riper. Well, go for it. Same trade, Martingale. So Euro USD, I'm gonna take it twice. Get ready. We'll take the trade. Here we go. Doji and drops. But some of you, if you were able to get in earlier than I did, before it kind of pulled back down, you might have won. If we fail on this one, we'll do a longer term. No, I don't think there is a likelihood it's going to spike much higher actually. Is it weekly high? No, it's not a weekly high. Today, so much of this kind of flagging. When I looked at the charts today, when Catherine was asking me about the sessions, I thought, hey, this could be quite a good day for very short-term trading, but I definitely wouldn't want to do the longer term because it's just looking so uncertain. Okay, good. If there is consolidation, the reverse may happen anytime. Not necessarily, not necessarily the next time it's aligned because it might not. This one is still far from ready. EU, get ready, we might have another one. Totally forgot about pound JPY. Just broke the wedge. And you. AU, no similar move. What about the A? Oh yeah, pound. Nope. Is this a daily high? No, it's not. EU, not ready. A lot of stuff not ready yet. EJ, not ready. The way the 1 minutes are going, I'm not even going to use my breakout method. Oh, this one. No, actually, it's not. It's just the first one out. You're gonna wait 10 minutes, otherwise it closes out. Because everything is just consolidating, it's a waste of time. Euro pound. Not bad. Get ready for this midline. Which is incidentally previous low. So tentatively, let's set up for Euro pound until we can find a better alternative. More Aussie USD also. Aussie USD looks better. See how high I can get. Next highs here. Try this one. I don't know. It's just about flagging right now. Oh, back in the range. GJ barely outside the lines. UC just coming outside the lines. Too early to say. Okay, this one is promising. USD JPY is promising. I would like to set up on the USD JPY to see if it can come all the way down, although it might not. If it's too close to the white lines, I don't take the trades. Oh yeah, this is a good pick. USD CHF, wait for it to rise higher. In the Bollinger right now. I would think it could go higher to the white line. Anyway, it retracted in the last few seconds. Still very close to the white lines. Try not to force trades, people. Force trades, I mean that conditions may not be perfect, but you just try to think, oh, this looks remotely okay. No such thing as remotely, either yes it is or no it's not. I've been quite guilty of that as well. I mean, most of the losses that I make is like force trading. Although sometimes it's really because the market conditions are really weird. Oh yeah, I think I know what's happening because it's like a Euro speech in 4 hours. So maybe that's getting people tentative. Oh, Euro JPY, Euro JPY. Just saw this. Euro JPY, get ready. Euro JPY. If you're locked out, log back in. Interesting. It didn't even happen on top of the hour. It happened like 1 minute after top of the hour. Euro JPY. Wait another minute. Same thing on UJ as well. Okay, I think it will try to clear the length of the wick. So I think UJ is looking better. Let's watch a USD JPY instead. Switch to USD JPY. Setting up for a put trade. This is quite a big spike. take note that the top of the wick is like it's like 15 pips off. So definitely I want to wait till either hits the trend line. If you can even get as high as that, I will take it without even waiting for the end of the minute. If it can get to 59, just click. Okay, if you can get to 59, just click. Wait, see if you can hit the wick. If you hit that too easily, might go all the way to the top. Shit. I think if it hits 59 again, we can just go. I'm gonna take one here. And let's go with this one is a potential stoning setup. So if you do wish to stone, decrease your trade sizes so that you can go in aggressively. I'm gonna do another one at the end of this minute, perhaps. Oh shit. Okay, if it hits the previous wick, you just take trades. Oh, come on. What is this? I'll take a few. Okay, already crossed the previous bar's low. Alright, that's a bearish bar right there. We get one more bearish bar and that's home run. Okay, I'm unfortunately even as of now. See the next one here. Even. Getting back in there. Oh shit. What? Not letting me take trades. Sucks. Bullshit. By the time I can log in, the mobile is probably gone, so just spam it right now. Yeah, that'll do it. Just broken through the flag. Anyway, Tom, this is extraordinary price behavior. It's not written about in the member guides. Who else doing that? Curious. Nice. Yeah, that's what spot option does. They just try to prevent people from taking the no-brainer trades. I'm going to end it after this trade. All right, nice. Okay, I'm out of here, and you guys take care. Don't get too greedy, and just wrap